This one question is, she has type 2 diabetes, and what kind of fruit would be good to go on a fast? Well, you can try grapes first because it's a little more balanced. But lemons are very, very strong in terms of moving lymph. The reason we're always focused on the lymph is the suppressive and acidic nature of this system, being the sewer system, blamed for most of the problems. Now, when there's genetic weaknesses, you're going to enhance the function of cells. I don't want to take too much time on that because this needs a video to do this about genetics and how we increase the consciousness of a cell. Understanding in quantum physics that energy has intelligence and that everything is frequencies of magnetic energy and that chemistry is just frequencies of magnetic energy, therefore the cell is just frequencies of magnetic energy or consciousness. This kind of leads you into the spiritual side of life and understanding why Christianity uses the word omnipresence when it refers to the Supreme Being. Indian and Hindus already understand the word consciousness. And in physics we understand and use the word intelligence to understand that which invades and is all in the all. So, important to understand that why the raw foods and the herbs and the consciousness that they have and the consciousness or magnetics or chemistry, you can talk about either one of those and their effect upon the health of a cell, because the ultimate issue is the health of a cell. Type 2 diabetes is always the adrenal gland, sugar metabolism. It's just the twin to hypoglycemia. Type 2 is really hyperglycemia. And that's sugar metabolism, cortisol levels in the body. By the way, if you're trying to check your steroid levels and hormones by blood or saliva, forget it. Not really accurate. So any fast, I don't care, do all fruits. Even though a fruitarian lifestyle is a lifestyle for Homo sapiens. We're the most advanced neurological species on the planet. I think I've told you about some cases where, one case, the ambulance brought her here, and she was an advanced MS case. And she was prone, stiff, flat on a stretcher, couldn't turn her head to say, "Hi, Robert," stiff as a board. Oh, I'm only about that thick. And so I put her all on fruit. And 2 months later, she could wheel herself in the wheelchair, and she could feed herself, sit up, all those things. So I wanted to put more muscle on her because she was so thin. And generally speaking, I raised horses growing up, and we used alfalfa for muscles. You know, I knew Ann Wigmore, and I asked her, "Why did you pick wheat? Alfalfa is a superior plant," and Shackley knew that. Alfalfa is an incredible plant, particularly for muscle building, minerals, you know, things like that. So I put her on a green drink, and I put her on a salad. And you know what happened to her? She couldn't move anymore. She went back to being an invalid. So I put her back on fruit. And you have to understand the power and the magnetics fruit has to turn on the body's nervous system, especially Homo sapiens nervous systems.